This puzzle must be a photograph. It's made by Kodak, so it seems like it should be. So, what a challenge. Well, these buildings, the church and the mills here, not a big deal. A lot of linear things that I could get a hold of. And of course the sky. But then what was left was like 200 pieces of these brown forests. It's an autumn scene. And then also probably similarly the grass and foreground here, all the same. Plus the pieces themselves were almost identical in shape. The only way of dealing with it was to segregate it by the number of knobs or lack of knobs in each piece and put them in separate bins and keep on struggling to find connections because everything was very similar. So, this took a long time. It was a struggle. And also, some of the pieces were so similar that they actually fit, almost anyway. When they did fit, it was with a nice satisfactory clunk or whatever you might call it, which made it very sturdy. In fact, we had a fiesta here and they needed the table, so two people just picked it up and moved it over to another table, which I thought would have been the end of it, almost, thank goodness. But it turned out only 4 pieces ended up missing, and I know that they were. The other thing of interest is, and it's hard to see with this camera, is that there are electrical lines passing through here, which gave some guidance. And actually 3 streams of them, with this heavy one being the easiest. So I would have given up, but I decided to muscle through, and I did finish it. 4 pieces are missing, so it may not be passed on to anyone else.